You've published a book, or you're in the process of doing so, and now you want to nail the business model from your book. Stay tuned. In this video, I am going to show you 3 different ways you can turn your non-fiction book into a profitable business and an amazing brand. Hi, my name is Andrea Reindl. I am a brand strategist and the founder of Legacy Creative. On this channel, we are on a mission to take complicated jargon and make it simple. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the bell so you're notified next time a video goes live. All right, let's jump in. A really common objective for nonfiction authors is to build a business from your book. If you've written your book or you're writing your book and it's close to publishing or you've already published it, you're probably thinking, how do you use that book to either expand your current successful business or build a new one? Of course, there are countless ways you can do this. And in today's video, I'm going to cover 3 really common models we use frequently with our clients to help them design and build a business they love. The first is one-on-one coaching or executive training. This is probably one of the most common models you see all the time. We use it all the time. It's got low startup costs. Yes, you have to plan and you have to build some things to generate, nurture, and convert leads. And then basically you can start your business and you start doing coaching and deliver on what you've sold. Overall, it's a simple business to run, and many authors choose to do this because it's a straightforward business to run. Here's what you need to make it work. First, you have to be educated and be a subject matter on whatever topic you're talking about. I see a lot of people like counselors, mental health workers, therapists, scientists, these sorts of people choose this model to build and grow a business. They offer a free gift to reader in their book. After the client downloads that free gift to reader, they're offered a discovery call with the author. And on that call, the coach or the author or the counselor or whoever it is that does the work offers a signature program to work with the client. I've seen one-on-one coaching offers to work with somebody range from $1,000 for a few sessions to $40,000 for a 6-month engagement. The range is huge and you can build a really profitable business this way. It's a simple business to run. It's easy to make multiple 6 figures a year running this kind of model. And it's a great option for authors who are ready to expand and build their business around the ideas in their book. We help authors by setting this up for them all the time. I love this model. Idea number 2 is to design your business to be a corporate facilitator. This is a fabulous option for people who like to work in a hybrid and a digital and some in-person sessions. Many corporations are looking for ongoing facilitation for workshops for topics that they don't have someone in-house for, or just because they like to mix it up with outside people and not their in-house team. A few topics that are really popular for this kind of business include things like communication, sales training, health and wellness in the workplace and at home, nutrition in the workplace and at home, mental health and resiliency. Of course, the list is endless with topics that corporations are looking for to help educate their employees. A nice thing about this kind of business model for published authors is that very often you'll have a few key clients that you work with at a time and have multiple engagements with the same client. So you put a few great corporations on retainer and you work with them for an annual or a multi-year contract, and you have a great opportunity to get to know the people in the organization and be the outside expert. As you expand your content in your book to more workshops and online programs, you can create multiple streams of income using this business model based on what's in your book. This kind of business is a great aligned fit for someone who worked in corporations previously, knows the challenges they face, and wants to work with them to help them transfer wisdom from an experienced generation to the next generation of talent. Idea number 3 is to create a train the trainer or a certification model from your body of work that you put forth in your book. Something you'll really want to think about if you're designing this model into your business is that you need to design your content so that anyone can facilitate it. Your education materials need to be so tight you can insert a new facilitator. That way you can find clients who have a similar skill set as you do and give them a business they can run using your models, your body of work, your workshops, your books, your workbooks. And it's a great way to help other people be able to build a business based on your body of work. In this scenario, a lot of what happens is your clients are the trainers. They're people that you're helping learn how to facilitate and teach your content, and you're giving them all the really solid frameworks to work with individuals or in corporations, which are the first 2 models, and helping your clients build businesses. It's a fabulous model, and I love this one as well. So to recap, here's the 3 awesome business models you can build based on your book. Number 1 is one-to-one coaching, where you create a signature program and you do either a low ticket or a high ticket offer for people and you work with them one-on-one. Number 2 is you create a corporate facilitator model. This is where you primarily take all of the content in your book and you organize it in a way that it's intended to facilitate inside of corporations. Number 3, you create a train the trainer model or a certification model. In this model, what you want to do is design the content in your book, your workbooks, and your workshops to be facilitated by anyone, and then you train facilitators to go and do your work in multiple locations all over the world. I hope you found this helpful. If you're an author or you're just into branding, or if you're a freelancer who does creative work for a living and this is interesting to you and you want help designing a model that works for you, please feel free to reach out to us on social, send us a private DM, and we'll get on a call and help you figure this out. Until next time, my name is Andrea. Thanks for sharing your time with me, and make it a great day.